Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable email notifications on Capital.com account. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Capital.com broker. Then click on the link that pops up primarily. So here you're going to click on your account section on the top left corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Again we're going to click on notifications. So since we're turning on the email notifications, all of them are not turned on. So you go downwards and click on the boxes which refer as the email ones. So once you're done with all the email notifications will be turned on. So this is how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.